Hello guys, today I'm gonna share with you a very delicious plate. We call it Seafood Carbonara in Béchamel sauce. So first we're gonna cook the pasta. We boil water and then we put salt. And then now we're gonna add the pasta. I don't know, for me I prefer to cut it into half. You can put it also as it is. While the pasta is cooking, we're gonna prepare the ingredients. Here is the bell pepper. Bell pepper, we cut it julienne. Cut it thin, not that big. It's easy and fast to be cooked. Now we have tomato, so we will cut the same way how we cut this one. We also have eggplant we can add to our ingredient. Remove this. We have garlic here. So we have onion here. We're gonna cut the onion also. We'll peel the onion. We'll cut the onion. We will not make it julienne. We will cut it small cubes. This is chopped at small cubes because it's nice to saute the onion and to make the onion, you know, it's like it will go with the food and with the sauce. So we will just chop it, make it small cubes. This is what I'm gonna use for the carbonara. It's an Italian dish. We're gonna make with shrimp today and with the vegetable that we got. So some they prefer to cut it like this by 3 to 4 slices. Me, I prefer to cut it into half. For sure I'm not gonna use all the shrimp, and some people wants to use, so all it's up to them. So I'm gonna keep few later like this without cutting, so maybe it will be good for the garnish. Okay, so this is, you can say that's enough for our dish. This is enough. Now here guys, it's ready. Our pasta is ready. So I'll just strain this one, then it come back to you. So we put around 50 gram butter, okay, and then we're gonna put the shrimp. We will saute the shrimp. And we will put the garlic first. They will saute together. The taste will be amazing. Here is the shrimp, it's cooked. Okay, we keep it juicy. We don't totally cook it. Then here we put bell pepper. Eggplant. Put the onion and then put the tomato. Yes. Now we saute this one well. Everything looks good. Not that cooked, it's like crunchy. Okay, we don't cook it all. Okay, now we keep this one aside. Now we have here cooking cream, we have butter, we have flour, and we have pesto. Okay, so first thing is we're gonna put the butter here. Okay. Then we put the flour. So you mix like this until it will be a little bit brown. Little bit brown. Don't burn it. Then we put some the milk. It should be cold and this one hot. And then you mix. Or opposite. The one we mix down, we call it roux. That one, if you prepare it and you keep it from yesterday or the morning and it's cold, you must boil the milk, then you can put that one. But now we just make it fresh, so the milk must be cold. And we have to mix like this, so it will not be like, you know, it will be very rough later. ready, you can add the cream, cooking cream. Okay, now we're gonna put Béchamel sauce, and then we will add the vegetable and the shrimp mix. Mix together. We're gonna add pesto sauce. Pasta is already cooked. Now our dish is ready. Seafood carbonara in bechamel sauce. I hope you like it, and I hope you will try it at home. And please, guys, subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up, and thank you so much, and see you in the next creation and the next video.